छोटा बेटा का छोटा वाला
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. How are you? How
I'm
is
fine.
everyone doing? Good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Tell me yesterday which all revisions we did?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ayush. Hanji. First of all, CBSE has declared dates for the second term exams, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
from 26th April, you all are going to have your second term exams, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So all well prepared? Little tensions are there or not? Hmm? Ayush? Are you all tensed or not?
Yes, ma'am. We are tense.
But we have sufficient time. If we have not,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. If we have not done preparations, I think we must start now because now the dates have been declared. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You will get to know
From
about
24th April.
better 26th April. 26th April.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Tell me yesterday what all
Good morning,
we did.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yesterday, what did we do? Please tell.
Ma'am, the question answer, ma'am, of geography. Chapter
Of
manufacturing industry.
Ma'am,
geography, manufacturing industries. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
I gave
Yes,
you a
ma'am,
passage.
the textile industry.
Okay, got it, got it, got it. So, okay. So let us do one thing. I'll share the screen, right?
Excuse, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruv, beta. Yes,
Ma'am,
Dhruv.
our term to board examination will be
Ma'am,
from
from
26th
which are
April.
हाँ जी बेटा 20 अभी हम वही बात कर रहे थे बच्चों से आप थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन हुए अभी हम यही बता रहे थे कि 26 अप्रैल से की डेट निकल गई है और 26 अप्रैल से वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द सेकंड टर्म एग्जामिनेशन सो नाउ यू ऑल रियली नीड टू पुल योरसेल्व्स अप
ma'am, when our schools will be open?
नहीं बेटा schools will not be open only for pre boards I think will be coming है ना
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we will have reports?
बेटा dates have not been declared as of now but let us see when
Ma'am, in some schools from 15th of February are the dates given.
for the pre boards
Yes, ma'am.
that I know but the thing is that when some of the teachers they are saying that they are not done with the syllabus right now so they require certain some time for completion of syllabus so maybe because of that hanji
Ma'am, pre-board we can do. Ma'am, pre-board we can do after 5 March, ma'am. There is so much time. Ma'am. From 26th April we have a board, ma'am. In the last
Huh.
week of April.
yes that sir will decide no issues right Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but it is not important to open schools
It is
as the
important.
government has also
Huh?
given permission to school to open schools from 10th to 12th.
That is there, beta, but that is there. But see, every school has their own say in opening and not opening. No, like they can, they school, the government has administration has given permission. Government has given permission. You can open, but maybe school is deciding on something, waiting for things to get completely over.
Ma'am, construction work is going
Yes,
in school.
And that I told you, no, the other day that the school is having construction work going on, renovation going on. Didn't I tell you? Hmm?
yes, ma'am. You have to.
हाँ चलो ठीक है. Let us start now. I hope you all have books with you. Huh?
Ma'am, geography?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let me share. Huh?
Ma'am, today also we will do manufacturing industries.
अभी आप मुझे बताओ, आप लोग एक्चुअली मैंने 2-3 चीजें प्रिपेयर करके रखी थी, है ना? तो अगर आप सही समझो तो हम वो कर लेते हैं. जैसे वेट
Okay,
आई
ma'am, we
Excuse
will
me.
do.
वेट एक मिनट, ये पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हो गए थे हम लोगों के.
Yes,
Class? हो गए थे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
Ma'am of history.
हाँ, ऑफ हिस्ट्री.
Yes, ma'am. It was.
ओके बेटा, एक मिनट बस, ये आ गया आप लोगों का. हाँ. अच्छा, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज को अभी भूल जाओ. अभी हम मैंने कल 2-3 कुछ क्वेश्चंस निकाले थे. तो लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो दिस. ये बताइएगा कि क्या हमने इसको कर लिया है. आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन विद यू ऑल. ओके. Okay, can you see the screen? Class?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, अब तो आ रहा
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Mari.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आ गया, देखो ठीक से
Yes,
देखो.
ma'am. Screen is.
Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, was this passage done yesterday?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Ma'am, we have done geography only yesterday.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो चलिए अब हम ये थोड़ा सा करते हैं. Can Shelly read this passage? Shelly, are you there? Shelly,
Yes, ma'am.
you are there. Okay. If you could please read this passage for me.
As the news of the Jallianwala Bagh spread, crowds took to the streets in many North Indian towns. There were strikes and clashes with the police and attacks on government buildings. The government responded with brutal repression, seeking to humiliate and terrorize people. Satyagrahis were forced to rub their noses on the ground, crawl on the streets, and do salam to all sahibs. People were flogged, and villages around Gujranwala, now
Gujranwala.
in Punjab, now in Pakistan, were bombed. Seeing violence spread, Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement. Which movement was called off by Gandhiji? Why was the movement launched?
Okay. Now, on the basis of this passage, which is given above, these 2 questions you have to answer. Please answer them and send your answers here on the group. Good morning.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
Can you see the passage on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
There are 2 questions on the screen below the passage.
ma'am.
You have to answer these 2 questions.
And from the given paragraph.
Yes, from the given passage. Priyanshu, how is your preparation going on? Priyanshu?
Yes, ma'am, preparation is going on like, ma'am, SST
Ma'am,
is,
zero.
Dhruv bhai was speaking, ma'am, SST is a little weak, but in maths it is like, okay.
Okay. Beta, but then
Ma'am,
you need
SST,
to.
ma'am, yes, ma'am, I will start it, ma'am, like, I've completed half of the history, I'm revising again and again. And I forgot history, I'm like, मैं पढ़ता हूँ फिर भूल जाता हूँ, ये दिक्कत हो जाती है, तो मैं बार-बार पढ़ता रहता हूँ।
ये तो बड़ा गलत हिसाब किताब है बेटा। चलिए
मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, पर पढ़ता हूँ मैं थोड़ा-थोड़ा करके।
ओके, चलो ठीक है। ध्रुव was asking something.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, he was not asking, ma'am, taunt मार रहा था।
अब चलो क्लास में नहीं जाते, कम से कम यही बैठ के कर ले जब अपने मन की, है ना? क्यों?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो
Ma'am, not possible in Survi ma'am's period.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं है। चलो कोई बात नहीं। आप लोग के कैमरास नहीं ऑन होते, अगर ऑन हो तो और ज्यादा क्लास इंटरेक्टिव हो सकती है, जानते हैं? बिकॉज हमें पता रहेगा कि हाँ आप लोग सामने बैठे हैं, तो आई कैन इजिली talk to you people. But no one keeps the camera on.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sania.
ma'am, Surbhi ma'am is getting good day by day.
She was always good, beta.
Ma'am, like she means if we said that we have some problem in opening the camera, she said, okay, don't worry, and be on the class only. Don't open the camera.
I know. See, everyone faces network issue. We understand that. But, some of the students, see, वो कहते हैं ना, एक बड़ी अच्छी सी हिंदी की कहावत है ना, गेहूं के साथ घुन भी पिस जाता है। सुना है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अब कुछ
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
बच्चे जो नटोरियस बच्चे होते हैं ना, उनकी वजह से जो अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं बेचारे, उनको भी पेनलाइज करना पड़ता है। तो इट वाज डन बिकॉज जब हम लोग की लास्ट टाइम जो क्लासेस हो रही थी, तो सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दे यूज्ड टू फूल टीचर्स। क्लास में ज्वाइन कर लिया, कैमरा ऑन नहीं करा, माइक से भी कनेक्टेड है, कैमरा भी जो है कनेक्टेड है, बट टीचर चिल्ला रहा है, आवाज दे रहा है, बच्चे का कोई पता ही नहीं है।
Ma'am, during term 1.
नहीं, अभी की बात नहीं है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लास्ट ईयर व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड क्लासेस ऑन Zoom. तब तो बहुत ज्यादा वी फेस्ड लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम। यू पीपल आल्सो मस्ट हैव फेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स। वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट घर में बैठ के थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है, बट स्टिल आपने अगर क्लास ज्वाइन करी है तो एटलीस्ट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट, नो, गिव रिस्पॉन्सेस। आप नहीं कैमरा ऑन करना चाहते हैं, मत करिए। एटलीस्ट आप, अगर आपको टीचर बुला रहा है तो आप उसको रिस्पॉन्ड करो, उसकी कॉल को, है ना? राइट? Okay, I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you are done with these two questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ayush, first answer.
Ma'am, second wala.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
civil
may I?
resource.
non-cooperation movement was called off by Gandhi ji.
Okay. Ayush, first one you have not done.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanya, first one answer. Sanya.
Yes, ma'am.
First answer.
Ma'am, may I?
अरे वेट बेटा, वेट। आपने बता तो दिया
Ma'am,
नॉन कोऑपरेशन।
सत्याग्रह.
हाँ, सानिया बताओ।
Ma'am, सत्याग्रह.
Which satyagraha movement was launched by Gandhi ji?
Nationwide
Rolex.
सत्याग्रह.
What was that called?
Ma'am, civil disobedience.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Non-violence.
Yes, Shelly.
Ma'am, the Rowlatt Act Satyagraha.
Very good. Yes, beta, it was
Ma'am, I was also saying the same.
you said non-cooperation movement.
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
it
I
was
said
not launched till yet.
Satyagraha.
बेटा,
No, ma'am, he
सत्याग्रह
said
तो उन्होंने
non-co-
देखो, सत्याग्रह तो he started at Kheda also, at Champaran also he initiated satyagraha movement. Then at Ahmedabad also he did that. But then this satyagraha movement, it was the Rowlatt Satyagraha, right?
Ma'am, I am also saying the same.
I was also saying the same. Okay. right? I hope
Yes,
first
ma'am.
answer you all have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Second,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
second question, Ayush.
The idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for truth. It suggested that if the causes was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the opposer without seeking
Ma'am, this is the answer for.
or being
Beta,
aggressive. A
एक मिनट,
Satyagrahi could
Ayush, I would like to interrupt. Beta, this is not the correct answer for the second question which is asked. You have to give your answer on the basis of this passage. And this passage is related to Rowlatt Satyagraha, right?
Yes, ma'am. May I tell?
Yes, Dhruv.
The movement was launched due to the unjust laws made by the government, which were, as the act has been hardly passed in the Imperial Legislative Council without the opposition of Indian members. It had allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years.
हाँ जी.
मैम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी
हाँ, बोलो बोलो, क्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बेटा? बेटा,
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
पॉलिटिकल
Power
पार्टी
to
के लिए
repress
मैम
political parties.
हाँ नहीं, एक मिनट रुको. ध्रुव, वेट, विवान is saying something. हाँ विवान, बोलो बच्चा.
मैम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आल्सो डिटेंशन फॉर 2 years without any trial.
Political leaders, political leaders.
Political leader.
Okay.
हाँ बेटा देखो, because this particular passage relates to Rowlatt Satyagraha, so the motive of launching the movement was Rowlatt Satyagraha was to oppose the Rowlatt Act that was imposed by the British government. राइट अब आप ये समझ लो कि ये जो केस बेस्ड स्टडी क्वेश्चंस हैं वो कुछ इस तरीके से भी आ सकते हैं, आप है ना? तो आपको पीछे की स्टोरी पता होनी चाहिए. प्रियांशु,
Yes, ma'am.
आपको पता है रॉलेट सत्याग्रह
मैम
क्यों
कौन?
करा गया था?
मैम पता नहीं, मैं पढ़ लूंगा.
अच्छा, ओके, क्यों करा गया
मैम
था?
ड्यू टू
Ma'am,
मैम ड्यू टू
ma'am.
unjust laws.
हाँ, ड्यू टू unjust laws, right?
Unjust law.
हाँ जी, due to unjust laws. So this was the reason that the Rowlatt Satyagraha was launched, and the people were not happy. Indians were not happy with the kind of attitude that the British government was showing, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes.
send your answers
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the group. Send your answers on the group. And another question I'm giving you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have to tell, see, year, causes, participators, Muslims, withdrawal, course of the movement, and participation of women. You have to tell that between, this is particularly for non-cooperation and civil disobedience, right? So you have to tell in which year civil non-cooperation was launched, what were the reasons for starting it, then who all were the participators, how the Muslims were part of this movement, why it was withdrawn, and what was the course of movement. अब ये course of movement में आपको ये लिखना है what exactly was done during this.
Who all participated in the.
No. Participators तो ऊपर आ गए. Course of movement में what was done during this movement, right?
Yes.
Right? हाँ. चलिए, ठीक है?
Ma'am, sir, we have to write the answer.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप लोग मेन हेड्स में लिखो इस आंसर को और हम आपसे पूछेंगे. 5 minutes you have to write. Fine class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. अरे भाई साहब,
फाइन. गुड देवांश. अगर ये 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होगा देवांश, तो आप थोड़ी सी डिटेलिंग लिख पाएंगे इसमें,
यस मैम, लिख देंगे.
क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू द मार्क्स जो वर्ड लिमिट है उसको उस पे हमें स्टिक करना है. वी हैव टू like for 2 marks questions we need to write approximately 40 words, and for 3 marks questions approximately 80 words, and for 5 mark question 120 words.
मैम अगर ज्यादा मैम ये भी लिख सकते हैं, द rollout the act was passed through the imperial legislative council in
Yes, sir.
1919, but
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
members Indian members opposed it.
Without the opposition of Indian members.
Very good, very good. This is what you have to write. See, when
मैम
the
पॉइंट्स में भी लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Points are always welcome. Like, see, depending upon the marks, the length of the answer has to be small or large, right? Either you can write few points or you can add some more points depending upon the marks you have to answer. Very good, Anand. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Very good. ओके बेटा, ये हुआ आप लोगों का. इसको हम आपके साथ क्लास ग्रुप पे भी शेयर कर ले रहे हैं, ठीक है?
Yes.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can you scroll up for the after participation?
Yes. Participators and then participation of the women.
Yes.
मैम
जी बेटा.
मैम हमें इसमें सिविल डिसोबीडियंस और नॉन कोऑपरेशन दोनों लिखना है.
हाँ जी, अंडर द फॉलोइंग हेड्स राइट अबाउट नॉन कोऑपरेशन एंड सिविल डिसोबीडियंस बोथ.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग धनंजय. कहाँ रहते हैं आजकल बेटा? रात में देर तक पढ़ रहे हैं?
यस मैम. यस मैम.
चलो ठीक है.
Can you tell what is going on?
Beta, on the screen, few heads are given and you have to write about non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement, taking the help of these headings.
Okay ma'am.
Yes. But I hope you are done. Class. Class, is everyone done with this?
No, ma'am.
What about Dhananjay, Aksada? Aksada, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Who is done? Anand is done with it?
Ma'am, what is second point over here?
What is?
Ma'am, second last point.
Second last is course of movement. What happened during the movement that you have to tell.
Okay.
Okay, Nikhil, Priyanshu, Anand. Sanya, Dhruv, Divansh. Priyanshu, Shaili, Akansha, Shreya, Aksada, Bhumika, Nikhil, Vishesh. You people have not sent your first answer, beta. Please send it.
मैम मैंने भी भेज दिया.
आपने भेज दिया है?
Yes मैम.
ठीक है. बाकी बच्चों का नहीं आया है.
I have also sent it.
Checking.
मैम मैंने भी भेज दिया है.
ठीक है.
मैंने तो भेज दिया था, उसमें दोनों है, फर्स्ट वाला भी सेकंड वाला भी.
नहीं प्रियांशु, मुझे तो आपका दिखा नहीं. हाँ आ गया आ गया. ठीक है. Got it.
Yes.
भूमिका बेटा.
Yes ma'am.
Was called off. Off में double F आएगा.
Okay ma'am.
And गांधी जी का G capital.
Okay
Right?
ma'am. Yes ma'am.
बेटा चलिए डिस्कस करें फटाफट से. प्रियांशु. प्रियांशु.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ जी. When did the non-cooperation started? Which year? Which year non-cooperation started?
Ma'am 1921.
I will not say whether it is correct or not. Next question. What was the reason for launching non-cooperation?
Ma'am, in 1920, it was launched.
I am saying, I am not telling whether it is correct or not. Whatever answers you have written, you share it on the group once we are done with the discussion, right? Right, class?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes
So, okay. So, what was the reason for the launching of this non-cooperation? What were the reasons, beta?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes,
Can I?
yes.
Ma'am,
Sania.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
Ma'am, Mahatma Gandhi wrote a book, Hind Swaraj. He declared in that book that the British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians only. If we stop the cooperation, like if we it survived. British survived only because of the cooperation. If Indians refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year, and Swaraj would come.
Very good.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Shelly, रुको Shelly.
Ma'am, I had the same answer.
Okay, Dhruv, your answer is different.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out.
Ma'am, cause of non-cooperation was for the call of Swaraj in the country.
Okay. Is there anyone who has written a different answer for this question? Reason for launching non-cooperation? Any one of you, Bhumika, Anand, Faiz? Do we have Faiz today in the class? निखिल बेटा बताइए आंसर अपना बच्चे.
मैम boycotting the foreign goods.
धनंजय, नॉन कोऑपरेशन के बीच में कोर्स ऑफ द मूवमेंट में बॉयकॉट ऑफ फॉरेन गुड्स
Role.
ठीक है, बट किन कारणों से, व्हाट वर द कॉजेस, रीजंस फॉर लॉन्चिंग नॉन कोऑपरेशन? प्रियांशु, okay, Vishesh Agarwal, are you there in the meeting? Those who are not responding, I will mark them absent today. If you have attended, then also you will be marked absent. Vishesh Agarwal, बेटा जवाब दो बच्चे. हाँ जी, बताइए आंसर. विशेष, नॉन कोऑपरेशन क्यों लॉन्च किया गया था? हाँ, बेटा प्लीज टेल. विशेष अग्रवाल. No one has a different answer for this. Ayush, Anamata, Mehak, Vivan, Shreya. हाँ.
Ma'am, at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, a peaceful demonstration turned into a violent clash with the police. Hearing the incident, Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement.
बेटा कैसी बात कर रहे हो? हम पूछ रहे हैं कि क्यों लॉन्च किया गया था बच्चे. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू व्हाई इट
What
वाज
was the cause?
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ जी बताओ सान्या. नहीं,
Ma'am, Shelly.
Kelly, हाँ बताइए व्हाई इट वाज लॉन्च्ड.
Ma'am, while the Rowlatt Satyagraha had been a widespread movement, it was still limited to mostly cities and towns. Mahatma Gandhi now felt the need to launch a more broad-based movement in India. Ma'am, so that is why he had taken up the Khilafat issue as well, and he had started the Khilafat and non-cooperation movement.
ठीक है, इसके लिए हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं. हाँ, ये आपका ये ठीक है एकदम. आपने ये जो बताया, दिस इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट वन, right? Because the non-cooperation was merged with the Khilafat movement, no, to support the Muslims of the country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए,
Yes,
Aksada,
ma'am.
Aksada, are you there?
So, ma'am, it was not the call to the Swaraj in the country.
स्वराज, हाँ, इस टाइम पे